Hey guys, and welcome to another video. I hope everyone is happy and healthy. I hope you are having a good day, a good week, a good month, a good night. For those who are new here, my name is Nate. I am an English teacher in Japan. I've been living here for almost 2 years now, and I decided that I wanted to document and share my life with each and everyone, as many people as I can in the world. So please stick around, and I hope you like it here. For those who are joining again for another video, hi, and I hope you'll enjoy this one because this is juicy. All right, so in today's video, I'll be sharing my apartment, or should I say our apartment, with you all. Adam and I recently got married this summer in August, and we went to Jamaica, and it was perfect. We got to see our family, our friends, and it was an awesome time. So now we're actually sharing our first little home, our first little apartment, and I wanted to just share that with you guys. So let's jump right in. Okay, this is the parking lot, and those two bikes are ours. I talk about our bikes all the time. Those are they, and this is the parking lot. We're right next to the road. So let's get to inside, shall we? Okay, so this is my door. Usually we have a flat key that we put in here to open, and upon entering, this place right here is called a Ginkon, and it's Japanese style. It's an area where you put the shoes that you wear outside. So as you can see over the line, I have my indoor shoes. These shoes, it stays right here. So we come in, we close the door, have a mailbox, and oh, there's no light. I put my shoes on. So this is the shoe closet where we keep all our shoe. Yeah, I tend to have more shoes than my husband at this point, but it is what it is. And on the door, I like to keep our garbage disposal guideline, because in Japan you have to sort your trash, and there are different days for different trash. So I like to keep those right at the door. And at this point, I'm actually sorting cans right here. So cans go out on a separate day for disposals and burnables and all of that stuff. So I like to keep my cans here in this little plastic bag. Up here is where I keep my washing products, so my washing powder, so on, my dishwashing soap. Here is a little bit unorganized at the moment because I think we just got in from a little grocery shopping haul. That video should be up in a few weeks. So yeah, here I keep my kettle, extra containers for when I do mass cooking for lunch, and some baking utensils, foil paper, all that stuff. This is our washing machine. I like to keep the big jugs of softener back there. And it's from the Genkon to the actual kitchen. So this apartment is actually a 1K apartment. That means one room and a kitchen, and of course all apartments come with bathrooms and so on. But you can get a 2 LDK or an LDK that would include a dining room and, you know, a kitchen. So here is our little kitchen area where we cook, where I keep my utensils. We keep our cups right here, our sink. Down here is our pantry. Down here is our pantry. Our little fridge. And at this point, I think we're due for a grocery shopping. There's not much in this fridge right now. We have water, juice, some baked beans that we didn't finish, peppers, and oh, a cock soup. a cock soup. Our microwave and our toaster oven. Up here I just have some tension rods where I put my pots and pans. Alright, so since you're in this area, I'll just take you to the bathroom. Oh, I have a little picture of Adam there. Alright, so in this room, hi. In this room, well, this is basically the bathroom. So in Japanese apartments, the toilet is actually separate from where you shower and where you like wash your face and so on. So this is our shower room and washroom. So yeah, I have my hamper over there for laundry, clothing, and this is our sink. It's big and nice, and we actually divide. So this is my stuff, this is Adam's stuff again, and our mouth cleaning products. Up here I have some tension rods. I like to store bathrobes and towels up here. Adam has a towel rack for himself. I have one for myself. And yeah, that's basically it. In here is the shower room. So we actually shower in this room and in, oh, hi, I'm using my phone, I know. All right, so in this room we shower, and all of this room can basically get wet. As you can see, it's actually a little wet right now because I showered earlier this morning. Yeah, so this is basically what a Japanese shower room looks like. Here's the tub. It's a bit small, but it's very deep, as you can see. So usually Japanese persons, they like to get a little shower to rinse off their bodies out here, and then they'll normally take a bath. And also in Japanese culture, the water that you catch in this bath, if you have a family of 2 or more, then the water is normally reused. So if you say, for example, for me and Adam, if I decided to take a bath, I would use that water, and then Adam would also use the same water. That's Japanese culture, and then they would release it. They don't catch a new water for everyone in the house. So yeah, that's basically the shower room and the wash room, and that's it for this room. I also like to keep a scale in my bathroom, keep check of everything. And here is the toilet room, so it's right next to the shower room and washroom, and then here is the toilet room. When you open, there's no light. All right, so yeah, simple basic Japanese toilet room. It only has the toilet. I keep toilet cleaning products at the side, and up there I like to keep, you know, like toilet paper and all that stuff. Here you have the toilet roll, and this toilet actually has the seat heating and bidet function. It's a plus, but we don't really use that part often, but we're grateful that the seat is actually heated, so we're not cold, well, you know. And in this room, here is our main living space. It's our bedroom and dining room and living area. That's my husband there doing a little bit of work for one of our other series that will be launching here on YouTube very soon. So this is all right, let me break this room down for you. Here is where we call the dresser. So yeah, we have clothing in this container that has 6 drawers, and we separated 3 for me, 3 for Adam. And on the dresser top is where we keep, well, where I keep, because it's most of my stuff on here, you know, just stuff for daily living. Here I like to keep my jewelry. Here is some extra makeup Over there we have our medical basket, so like our flu medicines, pain medicines, all that stuff. In this little black thing, I like to keep all my makeup. That's the little mirror that we use. I also have one hanging on the wall here for when I'm standing. And yeah, I'm a writer, so here I'll have like just my basic hair routine, skincare routine, because I like to keep track of what I do in writing. I don't store things in my head at all. This is my little stool where I'll sit in the mornings, do my makeup, and you know, have some me time or whatever it is. I actually have some books there because today is a day where we're planning a lot of stuff. We're planning you know, our week and all that stuff. So I have those books there ready for writing. And here is our little night table. We have house tissues, wet tissues. I like to keep a little calendar there. We have our hand sanitizer, and this is actually a nice little book. It's called The Adventist Home for us, and this was actually a wedding gift from one of Adam's uncles and aunt, which is now of course my uncle and aunt, and it has been good so far. We have been reading and learning a lot about, you know, how to be good Christians and how to create a home for us and our future children. And we like to keep our Bibles right here for when we do our study at night. And this is where we sleep. Now this is not a traditional Japanese style sleeping kind of thing, because this is actually a bed. Japanese style is a futon. When I just moved here, I used to sleep flat out on the floor on a futon. It was very uncomfortable. I didn't like it, so I decided to get a bed. I know you can pad the futon in many different ways to be comfortable, but being so low on the ground, really, it just wasn't working for me. So I decided to purchase a bed. So this is where we sleep, and I think I found this on Amazon Japan. I entered mattress on legs, so it's actually only a mattress. I think it's a double size, and it came with legs, so it doesn't have a bed head or whatever, but I didn't care about that. And again, that's my husband doing some work. Hi honey. And this is basically our dining table. This is where we eat, and this is where we edit videos and have family talks, discussions, so on and so forth. We were actually videoing earlier today for our other series that is going to be launching soon. That's what he's working on. And here we have Adam's toy, and this is his most favorite thing, I think, other than me, of course. So this is his piano. He's a musician. He likes to play music, and that's one of the things that we enjoy doing together. We love to sing together. We love to worship the Lord, and singing is one way in which we connect with each other. We actually sang with each other. We sang together at our wedding. The song was From This Moment. It was a bit terrible because we were nervous, but it was still lovely. Here, oh, also I like to keep pictures of everything that is important to me around the house. I don't like to store pictures and, you know, birthday cards and things that are given to me expressed with love. I don't like to store them away into a little docket or whatever, so I really just hang them up as I see fit. So these two are actually, this is a birthday card from, I think, my last birthday last year that Adam got me. I put it up there. This was just a little card that he brought home one afternoon, and just pictures of us. This was when we were dating back in 2016. That one up there too. And this picture I hold dear to my heart. It is always in whatever space I'm in. It's my graduation picture. It reminds me of just how far I have come, how determined I was, because I faced a lot of challenges while going to college studying teacher education, especially in my last year. I had a very difficult time, and so I like to look at that picture to remind me that I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Over here we just have a collage of, well, from our wedding this past summer. We got this as a gift from our photographer. It's very nice. In this little corner, it's just the cords corner. Have our vacuum cleaner here and just cords. Behind here we like to store, because we don't really have a bunch of storage in this apartment. It's pretty small. We like to store extra food items when we do grocery shopping. So all the things that cannot go into the pantry, we like to just keep them in that little brown bag there, right behind the TV, so it's not in our way. And here is our little entertainment center. I like to keep my laptop there because I connect my laptop to the TV quite often. The remotes there, and under here we just have like documents, papers for our house, and things that we really use very often. That's Adam's gaming systems over there. We keep it close to the TV because he connects them when he feels like it. As you can see, there's a little book here that says Web Household. That's our budget book. We like to write in that each and every month to keep track of our money. Those are some of Adam's books. I'm actually starting to meal plan this month, so I'm putting together a little binder. That's what those papers are for, and these are Adam's books. We plan to just put them in the school library at the schools that we work, just for, you know, just like a gift to them, so at least they'll remember us as ALTs. And very good mac and cheese, and that is our little space. What am I missing? Oh, that right here is our closet. I am not going to open it right now because it's probably not put together. And here is really a window that you can slide and you can see outside. I think something is blocking it at this point, but that thing outside that you're seeing where clothes are hung up is basically my way of putting clothes outside, because in Japan they don't hang clothes outside. They actually dry clothes in their bathroom. The bathroom has different heating functions where you can ventilate the bathroom, or you can dry clothes, and so on and so forth. So sometimes I do it, and I often do it when it's cloudy or it's rainy. But when the sun is out and it's beautiful outside, I like to have my clothes outside to dry and get sun. So that's what we did. That's actually called a mono hashidai in Japan. So I decided to get one so that we could hang our clothes outside. All right, and that's our aircon. So yeah, basically that's our little apartment. It's our little See you. Yeah, it's very small.